Hey, what's happening, everyone? Just starting my day off. Saturday morning. Already been to one location. I couldn't film it. Just digging some foundations there. I'm back at the gym now. Just gonna start my day now with the gym, and then when I come out of the gym, I'll take you to my sites to show you some updates, and that'll be my day for today. It's not going to be a long day for me today, actually. Got some family functions to go to later on, so but I'll keep you updated, so keep following my vlog for today. So let's talk about the main heading of this main title of this video. How many properties do you exactly need here in the UK to be financially free or quit your job, which can pay your bills, and you can either relax or you can just move on and keep buying more properties. Average UK household salary is roughly around about £2,000, and so to replace that £2,000, how many houses do you need, which you have on properties on rent, to achieve that? Well, if you was to achieve £2,000 from rental income, and you got like single family lets, that would probably take you about 4 or 5 houses at least to achieve that financial freedom. But whereas if you were to get the right properties at the right price first, and then do it up and turn them properties into like 5, 6 or 7 bed HMOs, then you can quickly replace your income. I'll give an example of a property I bought in West Bromwich area in the West Midlands. It's a 3-bed mid-terraced house, and I have showed it to you before on my videos. We're turning it into a 7-bedroom HMO. So now the average rent here to achieve in West Bromwich is roughly between £500 to £600 per calendar month per room. Alright, if we just go with the minimum £500 per calendar month per room, times that by 7, that's £3,500 per calendar month. Okay, that's gross, not net. So, and out of that, if we say that, okay, because every property we buy, we just do a buy to let interest only mortgage. So if we're to pay say £1,000 a month interest on the mortgage on that property, then we're left with £500, which can be gone in the bills. So after taking £1,500 out from 3,500, we're still left with £2,000 of cash flow, really, £2,000 net. So if you was to look at the picture that way, 2 of those really, actually one can replace £2,000. Let's just say we don't make 2,000, we make 1,500 per calendar month. Okay, we take the maintenance costs, the void periods, or add all that in. Let's say we're making £1,500 per calendar month of that property. Even then, just 2 of these properties can replace the household income, which is £2,000. Actually give more. 2 of these properties will give us £3,000 positive net cash flow, that is. So it depends what you do with the property, how much money you can make off a property. Same property, if I would have bought it 3-bed mid-terraced, I would have rented it out, it would probably earn me anything between £1,000 to £1,200 per calendar month in West Bromwich. Alright, that's the market in West Bromwich right now, today. So but rather than just doing that, I am spending nearly £130,000 on it, to make it into a 7-bed HMO, it'll do two things. One, it will uplift the value of the property dramatically from what I bought to what I'm gonna refinance here, and secondly, it will improve my cash flow as well, because the cash flow out of the £1,200 per calendar month is only if the mortgage is still the same, or okay, it might be a little bit less. Say even if the mortgage was £700, I'm still only left with £500 positive cash flow, okay? And then out of that, I'm gonna take the void periods, the maintenance, and 10% of maintenance, whatever, right? But whereas turning into a HMO, yes, it takes a little bit longer, it's a little bit more headache, a little bit more knowledge you need, but if you can teach yourself, you can learn from somebody, right? Then that will give you that, then you could be financially free really quickly. So 2 properties, even sometimes 1 property like that, can replace your monthly income, and then you can concentrate 100% on your property business. So I hope that helps, hope that gives a little bit of knowledge. And I'm right now, we needed a chainsaw chain, which I had to go and pick it up. I couldn't find it anywhere. No screw fix, no tool station, no B&Q had it in stock. I had to go to one of the back street shops in Great Bridge area of West Midlands, where they had it. Okay, so I've just purchased that. I'm gonna give it to my builders because we're chopping this tree off in one of our properties, digging the trenches as well for foundation. So yeah, that's where we're at. But I'm going to Wolverhampton right now to my bungalow to see how far the builders have gone there, and I will update you when I get there. So stay with me, and if you're enjoying the video, like, it really helps us if you like the video, if when you watch it as well. So I'll see you in a second. I've come to check the progress at Wolverhampton house now. I'll show you what they've been doing on a daily update. The skip is filled up, which is good, so that area is cleared to have new turf go down there. And another progress we've made is the guttering has gone in now around the house. So new guttering all around the house. This made the house look really nice. Totally uplifted the property with the new guttering. Can you see how good it looks? Sorry, I paused because I was taking a photo. So let me take you inside. Inside we've just fitted the bathroom and everything properly. Just a little bit left now. So obviously you had seen the radiator, new shield's gone in now. Finally we received the shower, what we wanted. So new shower has gone in as well, and I really like this new shield as well. It's quite good. So you can have a shower in peace, and we've installed the new LED mirror as well. Sink is in. So bathroom's nearly done now, apart from just the bath panel really, and a little bit of grouting left on the edges there, that's all. Then the bath will be finished. So when you're coming out of the bath, door handles need to go in here. Then there will be staircase, glass all around it, so that'll be the main feature of the house. So that's where we're at right now, and the builders are working at the back, so I'm not going to disturb them. So yeah, hope you like the video and hope you like the content of today's video as well. And if you like my content, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and keep giving us your support. God bless you all. I'm gonna finish my day off now. Well, it's not finished actually. I gotta go to another side. They're cutting a tree there, and then building a new build outhouse. Not the new build house, just the outhouse at the back of my property. That's where my builders need the chainsaw. So I'm gonna go and drop that chain off, and that'll be my day done for today. So you take care, guys. Keep working hard, and let me know in the comments below what you think about work. And this property will be completed as soon as we got the kitchen, which is due on Monday now. That's the only delay what we had. Apart from that, everything is cutting really nicely. So I'll see you guys soon. You take care. Till the next time, goodbye.